The best way to let go of a habit is to replace it with another habit. Let me explain. Have you been in that situation that there's a particular habit that you have that you don't know how to do with it? The thing is holding you down. Before you realize, as soon as you say that you're not doing it again, before you realize, the next minute you are back to it. You say you're not scrolling again, you're not watching TV again, but before you realize, that series has captivated you for the past 30 hours already. You're already there. You want to finish it at all costs. Have you been in that situation? They are trying to work on a habit at all costs to change it, but it is not going. Now, let me give you a trick. For you to do away with that habit, replace it with something. If you have an issue of stop watching TV, that time that you usually watch TV, put something there to do it. For example, read a book. And discipline yourself to do it. That one also is something. By the time you have set that you are reading a book, don't joke. When is that time? Let's say your series start maybe at 6. You instead go direct to your study angle, take your book and you read. Replace a habit with another habit to let go of the habits. What do you think? Is there another way that you think we can do away with the habits? Let us know in the comments section below. Till then, stay focused.